Today I am gonna attempt to wrap my door with this Vivid, supposedly 3M vinyl wrap. It was like $25 for a sheet that's 3 feet by 5 feet, and it's all right. The texture is kind of nice. This door just looked kind of plain to me. The decals weren't enough, so I thought this might look a bit cooler. So I started by taking the stickers off of it and cleaning it down, and I didn't clean it enough. You need to use rubbing alcohol. I thought I could cheat and not use rubbing alcohol, but you need to use rubbing alcohol. So it doesn't matter how much you wipe it off, use rubbing alcohol. The guy I bought these doors off of decided he wanted to spray them with some like wax cleaner or something when I left with them. So here I start trying to put the wrap on. I've never wrapped anything before. I've tinted my car windows I had a 350Z a few years ago. I guess last summer. I sold it. So here I'm trying to do it with one hand because I broke my collarbone in snowmobiling. I learned pretty quick on this that you need to do it in sections. And then I got mad at it, so I stopped recording and started recording once I started putting this on. This was after I figured out you need to do it in sections. Cut a section out and do it that way. It just looks better, it comes out better. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bottle of 3M adhesive spray that I had in the shop, so I used that to kind of adhesive better. But after that, I took it out in the garage, sprayed it with some some gloss spray for wood. So this is the wrap job you're looking at for $25, which isn't too bad, It's, I think it looks all right, it's whatever. But it looks better than what I started out with. But I sprayed it with some of that clear coat. Edges aren't perfect. I'm sure if you're better at wrap, you can get this pretty good, but I'm not. So, it doesn't look too bad. I think it looks all right. I didn't do that side. I thought it would look all right, just like kind of just the face of the panel. Maybe do that side like a different colored camo, like a gold camo, or maybe just yellow, but I don't know, maybe just leaving it black's the way to go. But, cheap, easy, and it looks all right to put on a rev that I use to bomb around in with my buddies, and, less about looks, more about power, but I think this just looks all right. Looks cool. Thanks for watching.